This demonstration will show you the different stages of a breastfeed and will mention the different sucking patterns during a feed and how breast milk is changing. The jug of dyed water represents the majority of breast milk. The blue is the water content and the oil represents the fattier content. This is what expressed breast milk would look like if it was left to settle. But in the breast, milk is mixed all together. It's important to not think of the breasts as storage vessels. Milk is not stored in them. Milk is made as baby feeds.
Okay, this bit is going to get very messy, so bear with us.
The holes in the sponge are like the alveoli in your breast where milk is made. When baby latches to the breast, the feed will begin with rapid sucks to initiate the letdown, which you may or may not feel. The hormone oxytocin is initiating the letdown. Baby will suck and swallow quite quickly to keep up with the fast flow of milk during the letdown. You can see that this glass is mainly filled with the blue water. This is the first quenching part of the milk. It has a high water content and is packed full of natural sugar to wake baby up and give baby the energy required to feed effectively. As the milk starts to flow, the pattern of feeding changes. Baby will actively feed to a ratio of 1 suck to 1 swallow, or sometimes 2 sucks to 1 swallow. There will be lots of pauses. This is to allow the fat molecules to pass into the breast milk. You can see there is a higher fat content in this feed. The fat and various hormones tells the baby's brain that they're getting full up, so the sucking pattern changes again. So at the end of a feed, baby may flutter suck. This can look like where the baby's bottom lip is quivering. You might think that your baby is finished at this stage as sucking is not active, but the baby has to flutter suck to allow their tongue to manipulate the really large fat molecules. If the baby was taken off the breast, this is what he would miss out on. The end of a feed is needed for weight gain and to satisfy their hunger. Some additional points to remember. During warmer weather, babies may want shorter and more frequent feeds to have the more thirst quenching milk. Breast milk has a high water content, over 80%, so babies under 6 months do not need water until solids are introduced. Baby will adapt to the weather. Breast milk will adapt and increase as the baby grows.